Morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Had your breakfast, children? Yes, let us go to the lesson. Unit number 6. Puppies for sale. Yes, let us start reading. As I walked on the seashore on one evening, the boy was walking on the seashore. You all know that sea is very big. Sea, you can see that. In that sea, lot of types of fishes. You can see types of fishes, different shapes of fishes. You can see there in the sea. I saw an old man bend down, picking up something from ground and throw it into the water. The boy saw that old man, he was bending down and he was picking something. He was picking something and throwing in the water. He thought this boy felt, what he is doing, this man, what he is doing, what is picking up from the ground and what is throwing to the water. Yes, let us see that. Let us read that. I went close to him and saw that he was throwing the small fishes back into the water. Yes, the boy went to the old man and he just saw it first. He did not ask him, he did not speak to him. He just was watching to him what he's doing. He went to him, close to him, and saw that he was throwing a small fishes back in the water. Small fishes he was throwing in the water. He saw that the big waves will come. The fishes, small fishes will be coming near the seashore and it will be dying. Small fishes. So what the old man did, it should not die. The fishes should not die. It should be alive. If it comes outside or from water, the fish will die. You all know that. Yes or no, children? Where the fish lives in the water, not in the land. Yes, like this only, the small fishes, the waves are coming very hard, the big waves are coming, the water came outside, the fishes also was coming through the water, it was outside. Felt so many hundreds of fishes are outside. What the old man is doing a good work. He has taken all the fishes, small fishes, and he was throwing in the water. It will be alive. It can get life. It will be in the mud. It will be in the sand. The fish will die, no? Yes. So the man is helping the fishes. There were too many of them around. Here you can see without tire, hundreds of small fishes would roll near the shore and die without water. The waves will be coming, big waves will come in the sea, no, in the sea, in the ocean, everything, big waves will be coming. With that waves, all small waves, small fishes will come in the wave and it will die. It will come outside from the water and it dies there only. This man, he saw and he's saving their life. He's removing all the small fishes and throwing into the water. There were too many of them around from old man to save. Hundred of fishes are there. Where the fishes are there, the man is going there and just is bending his knees and is taking all the fishes and throwing into the water. I watched him for some times and asked. The boy, he was watching how many fishes this man can put in the water. How many fish life he has to save. What is going to ask? Let us see. Why are you wasting your time? The boy asked. Why are you wasting your time? There are hundreds of fishes lying in the shore. See, outside 100 fishes are lying in the shore. But you cannot do 100 fishes, you cannot only put in the water. It is very difficult. Why are you wasting your time? The boy asked. You throw them into the water. The next wave will bring some more fish to the shore. Now, the man is putting in the water some fishes. The wave will be getting some fishes and throwing outside to the shore. But what is the use? What if you do? The other fishes also are coming and dying. They are in land, they are not in water. What difference would your action makes? The old man looked at me, picked up a little starfish that has been stranded on the shore and threw it back into the water. See, the old man, what he has done, he saw his face. He saw the boy's face. The boy told, the wave will be coming continuously. You are putting inside, the wave will be coming continuously. Again with the wave, some fishes are coming. It will be dying only. So much you will do. Again the wave will come, again the fish will come outside. What difference you have? The boy asked. The man saw the boy's face and what he has told, he picked up a little starfish. He took a little starfish and told that had been stranded on shore and throw it back into the water. This is starfish, it's a stranded. I am going to throw this fish to the water. He said, I made a difference this one. I made a difference this one means he showed one. Now I am taking one fish, starfish. This is a starfish. It is in a shore. It's in outside of the water. It's out of the sea. But I will throw this starfish to the water, into the water. The starfish will be alive. He has showed the difference to the boy. As I thought about this word, I felt they were very true. See, he thought for a while and he was thinking, the old man is correct. No, what he is doing is correct. How many fishes he'll put in water? So many fishes will be alive. We can help few fishes. It will be alive. If we leave like that only, all the fishes will die. So, how much I can do my work? I will put all the fishes in the sea. How much life I can give it to the fishes? I can do. He has gave a great example to the boy. I felt they were very true. He certainly would not be able to take all the sandfish, but some fish would always be grateful to him for being saved. See, all the fishes he can't put, 100 fishes he can't put in the sea. At least few fishes, how much the old man can do and save the fish life, he can do and he can throw in the sea. So he has done and he has given good example to the boy. In the same way, every little things we can do well make a difference to someone in our country. In same way also, children, in this country, we can help so many people. We cannot only one man cannot help in all the people who are poor, who are needy. Some people we have to contribute. Now, for example, for 10 people, one man can help. Who are having lot of money. For example, in this corona season, all have different types of sorts of problems. Yes or no? Yes. We have to help others who are in needy. Now the old man saved the life putting in the water, putting the fishes in the water which was dying in the seashore. The man looked them and picked them and threw in the water, they were alive. We, our human beings also, we have to help others. We have to help others and we have to care about them also. We should not be ourselves only we should not take care of our family, ourselves. We should care about others also. We should help others also. Yes, children, hope you all understood. Thank you, children.